Hey traders, welcome back. In this video I'm going to analyze the silver chart on 9th of March 2023 and show you some positions that you can make and see what's gonna happen next. So before we start the video, I want you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So let's get started. As you can see, we have a triangle pattern here, two trend lines, one from downside, the other one from upside. The one from upside is broken, which had 3 touches on it, 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touches, and it is broken with this green candle. We can risk on it and enter buy position like this one on the body close. Put our stop loss below that and look for risk reward too. Actually, it is written here, and let's wait for the price, see what's gonna happen next. On the 5-minute time frame, it is broken earlier. Okay, we could enter here and put our stop loss here. Let's see what's happening. Okay, and let me drag it here. It could give us RR2 earlier than 15-minute time frame. That's why I do use smaller time frames to trade. Better entries fast, and you are able to enter positions whenever you like. Lots of people are busy with jobs and such things. Okay, you can open chart anytime you like and make a trade in 5-minute time frame or 1-minute time frame. Okay, yeah, but I do make the analysis based on 15-minute time frame, so this is what I see. Let's wait for the price to see what's gonna happen next. So thanks for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.